Hi friends, Miss Arwood here. Oh, I'm so glad you came today because wait until you find out what we're learning about today. Our learning goal says, I can read words with R-controlled vowels. Well, that seems like a mouthful, right? You know what I like to do? I like to break down the words that I'm just not too sure of to figure out what they mean. So I can read words with R-controlled vowels. Well, I know R means the letter R. The word controlled means that like you're in charge of it or you're the boss. And vowels, well, those are all the letters that are not consonants. So it looks like we're going to be talking about R being the boss of the vowels. And that is exactly right. Way to break down those confusing words. We're going to be talking about vowels and what we call the Bossy R. It's just a nice nickname for R controlled. So what happens is when the R is around the vowels, the R starts to get really bossy and take control. So we're going to be seeing today what the Bossy R does to the vowels when it's in charge. Okay, so the Bossy R, it means that when there's an R after a vowel, it creates a new sound. So we know that A normally says ah or a, and R says r. But look at what the Bossy R does. When A and R are together with R right behind the vowel, it's going to make a brand new sound. It's going to say R. I know, right? It's surprising, right? You didn't see that coming. The Bossy R is very wild. So let's go through all of the vowels and talk about what new sound we're going to hear. So we've already said A and R together makes the R sound, kind of like in the word car. Can you go ahead and get your reading finger and point to A-R and say R? Yeah, good. Oh, you sound like a little pirate. R. Excellent. Let's read some words with this Bossy R, saying R with the A. Ready? So we have K-R, car. Wonderful. Make sure you get your reading finger, and if you need to slide the sounds, go for it. B-R, bar. Good job. Ooh, there's a nice little blend. R, star, and F-R, far. Good job. Get your reading finger and go ahead and read all those words. Start over with car. Ready, go. Car, bar, star, far. Awesome. We know now that when we see A and R together, that Bossy R is going to make the A and R together say R. All right, now O and R makes a totally different sound. O and R makes or, kind of like in the word corn. Do you hear that or in there? Let's go ahead and get a reading finger and point to the letters O and R and say or. Or. Good job. Wait, did you notice something? Yeah, O-R is actually the word or. Nice observation, friend. Okay, or. Let's read some or words. For. Beautiful. Ooh. Corn. Wonderful. What's this one? Torn. Fantastic. And what this last one? Born. Wow. Way to blend those sounds, friends. Let's go ahead and read the words together. Ready? Here we go. For, corn, torn, born. See, if I know the Bossy R makes O and R together say or, when I'm sounding out the word, I can just say or for that middle sound. Born. Wonderful. Okay, what does E and R stay together? Well, E and R says the sound like in the word her. Can you go ahead and say Beautiful. Let's read some ER words with that bossy sound, making it say So we have so purr, good. Heard, beautiful. You got that one super fast, awesome. Good. Fern. All right, let's read those words together. Purr, heard, her, fern. Wow, you are an ER pro. Now, this is going to blow your mind, so get ready. Hang on to your desk so you don't fall over. ER says Guess what sound IR says? Yeah, it's like the Bossy R got sick of making new sounds and just went with again. When we have I and R together, it says just like in the word bird. Good. Go ahead and point with your reading finger to I and R and say Excellent. Okay, we've already been practicing the sound. Now we just have to connect it to I and R. So what's this word? Bird. Bird. Wonderful. Firm. Nice. Dirt. Nice. Whoa. So many tricky things. Skirt. Oh my goodness, you did amazing with all those sounds. Awesome job. Let's go ahead and read the words together. Bird. Firm. Dirt. Skirt. Nice. Okay. ER says IR says I told ya. At one point, Bossy R got sick of making new sounds because guess what UR says? Yes, it says It says like in hurt. I mean, the Band-Aid. I'm hurt. Go ahead and let's point to UR and say You should be an expert at this point. All right, let's go ahead and read some words with UR making the sound this time. Fur. Good. Hurt. Wow, great sounding these out. Purr. Yeah, like a kitty cat. Burn. Oh my goodness, you're so good at that UR sound. Let's read all the words. Fur. Hurt. Purr. Burn. Wonderful job. Now, I told you that Bossy R makes all of these vowels say something totally new. So let's go ahead. I want you to practice. Now, I'm going to have you look at the picture to help you figure out and remember what the sound is that the vowels make when they're next to the R. Ready? Here we go. R, yeah, like in car. Whoops. Or, yeah, like in corn. Perfect, like in her. Again, like in bird. One more time, like in hurt. Wow, friends, our learning goal for today said, I can read words with R-controlled vowels. And we know that that's just the fanciest way to say that there's a Bossy R that's going to make the vowels make a new sound when it comes after the vowel. Now, friend, how does this help us when we're reading and discovering new words? Well, if you see a vowel next to an R, you're going to want to try out that Bossy R sound and see if you can discover the word with those new skills. All right? Have such a great time reading and practicing the Bossy R.